This would go, taking singles almost every ball, and then bad balls would be put away for four, for boundaries, for sixes.
Gopi on strike.
And
Tried
that ball,
to go for a. Couldn't quite get hold of it.
ठीक है सही है. That is just a single.
That's good. 120. 120.
And the total score is 120 for the loss of 3 wickets at the end of
19 overs.
19 overs. Deepak is doing a good job keeping the score after every over.
दोनों बैट्समैन पे फोकस है. दोनों बैट्समैन पे.
अरे सही. Both the batsmen deciding their strategy as to what to do, because now this last 6 overs are remaining.
नया बॉलर कौन है?
The new bowler is Saeed, who opens the bowling for Wildcats. He's back into the attack. I think Wildcats is just trying to stop the run rate.
I think Gopi is gonna go after the bowling in this over.
Yes, it could also backfire, because he balls it straight and that comes onto the bat. Onto the leg side, pulled away, and it's racing towards the boundary, and that will go all the way for 4. And with that, the score is 124 now. That's what I was saying, Michael Holding, that he just balls straight and the ball comes right on the bat. Gopi is just going to go after him.
Just the kind of pace Gopi is looking for at this point.
Yep, you are right. And going away from us, Saeed bowling to Gopi.
Oh, that's
and
a big.
this time hammered away, and it's racing towards the boundary, and that's going all the way for 4. That's it. The consecutive boundaries,
That was a good shot.
and the total brings to 128.
You could almost see this shot coming from Gopi.
Yes. The videographer Vikram is doing a nice job. Every Tom, Harry and Dick was struggling here, but Vikram came and changed everything. And now, the third ball of the over from Saeed. I'm getting a call, so please hold on.
That's just flicked away for a single. Gopi just milking the bowling there now.
50 partnership. Shiva.
That brings up the 50 partnership between the two batsmen. Viral, Gopi doing the bulk of the scoring. Saeed continuing. Viral on strike. Sprawling. That's firmly struck by Viral for a single. Viral just teasing away. He's doing the right job right at this point. He's rotating the side, giving it to Gopi, who's the more set batsman over here. More attacking of the two. Saeed continuing. That Gopi trying to go after it. In fact, that was a boundary. It was almost effortless strike.
Okay, bye. So, as I told you, Mr. Michael Holding, that this over is going to backfire them, and that's what happened.
That was a really good over for KCCA.
It's still going on. I think this will be the last ball from Saeed. So he just ball straight, that comes nicely onto the bat, and a batsman like Gopi just will go after that.
I think he should aim for a single at this point. What do you say?
Yes, because he already 3 balls in the no need time to take, a risk at this stage. They have a nice support. Leg stump पे ऊपर again. सीधा जगदीश के हाथों में स्क्वायर लेग के पास कोई रन नहीं. अरे काफी महंगे ओवर की समाप्ति. 14 रन आए इस ओवर पे.
और ड्रिंक्स सिग्नल कर रहे हैं गोपी.
Just be with us. We'll be back with the score.
Next over, he said. Next over. Okay. Come over here only.
Scorer, can you update us with the scores?
134 for 3.
134 in 2 overs. So here you see, but Venkat and all the people out here playing up for KC. And the environment is good. Everybody is here. Whole team is here. Match is full with the break it. And the 12 minutes brings for next over, Mr. Deepak. And the bowler is Sanjay. Same bowler is continuing.
ये दोनों को हटा पे नहीं छोड़ ठीक है
अरे अरे ए सुनना ए मितेश सॉरी मितुल थोड़ा इधर आके बैठना थोड़ा सा थोड़ा उधर चल जाए यार doing something so that we can the first ball
wide and nice rightly umpire rightly signaling it as a wide. The 21st over in progress.
Yep. It is going to be the first ball of the over. और ये बहुत ही सूझबूझ के साथ
Viral doing the right thing here, rotating the strike, giving it to Gopi, who is the more attacking of the two.
हाँ you miss the fun man, you miss the fun.
Gopi on strike.
गोली का टॉप पूरा हो गया तो पूरी करेंगे
That was a good ball. Gopi trying to go off it, but couldn't do much about it. Ball and is gone. Gopi, just when you thought he's gonna go and he's gonna, but he played a good knock.
How much Gopi scored?
He scored 66 vital runs for KCCA.
How many balls? पूरा बोल यार
बोलना तो चाहिए कितना बॉल 56 more than a run ball there.
That's very good knock and there you see